any padlock resisting your entry into your breakthroughs, let that padlock crash to pieces, crash to pieces, crash to pieces, crash to pieces. Any evil padlock padlocking any part of your life, I prophesy that today the consuming fire of God will smash it to pieces in the name of Jesus. Any padlock padlocking your womb from conceiving, any padlock padlocking your prosperity from manifesting, any padlock padlocking any breakthrough you desire from showing up, I prophesy that today the consuming fire of God shall smash it to pieces in the name of Jesus. Any satanic padlock against any part of your life, as you pray this day, I prophesy that it shall be defeated. It shall be defeated. The ancient padlocks locking up your success, locking up your prosperity, locking up your advancement, your speed, your acceleration, and the rest, I prophesy that today they shall break to pieces in the name of Jesus. Shout yes!